Hello everyone, it's Mauli here once again and welcome to today's session. Today we are going to look into a very exciting concept, decentralized finance, commonly referred to as DeFi for short. So within this session, I'm going to be using the two terms interchangeably. So if you hear me mention DeFi, kindly know that I'm referring to decentralized finance. Now, what is decentralized finance? Decentralized finance is a system of financial services built on blockchain technology and removes the need for traditional intermediaries like the banks, brokers, or payment processors. Instead of relying on centralized institutions to hold money, approve transactions, or manage assets, DeFi uses smart contracts to lend and borrow, earn interest, trade and invest, as well as make payments. Now, one may ask, what is a smart contract? Or what are smart contracts? Now, a smart contract is an automated computer program that executes specific operations based on predetermined conditions and rules. In simple terms, smart contracts are self-executing programs on blockchain networks like Ethereum, Binance Chain, or Solana. Now, when we pick every smart contract, there are certain advantages and opportunities it offers investors. We're going to look at five of these advantages. The first item on the list is the fact that smart contracts enable investors to lend and borrow crypto assets with others. And then secondly, investors get a chance to earn interest by providing liquidity to pools. An example of such pool here is a PancakeSwap V3 pool. And the third thing is the fact that investors get a chance to trade digital assets through decentralized exchanges, DEX. Now, decentralized exchanges are the platforms where trading happens peer to peer on the blockchain. And the fourth advantage of smart contracts is the fact that you get a chance to invest in tokenized assets like stable coins and synthetic stock. Then the last but not the least is the fact that investors get a chance to make payments without banks or credit card networks. These are key advantages of smart contracts environment. Now let's look at some key features of decentralized finance. What are the key features of DeFi? The first thing is the fact that every DeFi environment is permissionless, meaning that anyone with internet and a crypto wallet can access decentralized finance. So long as you have a crypto wallet and an access to internet, you can always access DeFi systems and applications. Secondly, the system is transparent. So all transactions and rules are visible directly on the blockchain. The third thing is that the system has what we call self-custody. So users get to control their own funds through wallets. So you have your own wallet within which you control your own funds. That's what we mean by self-custody. And for instance, you have a token pocket wallet, a MetaMask, or a Trust wallet. So the funds sit on your wallet and then you get to manage it on your own and by yourself. And the fourth thing is that every decentralized financial environment is interoperable. So different DeFi applications can connect and build on each other. That's what we simply refer to as money Legos. So in simple terms, DeFi is about recreating and expanding financial services using blockchain without middlemen. It is a system that presents a trustless trust to a team of investors and participants on the blockchain. Now, let's use a simple everyday real life analogy to make things a lot more easier as far as decentralized finance is concerned. Think of the traditional financial system. Let's use the bank for instance. Think of it as a very big supermarket. And you walked in the store, which is the bank here, decides what you buy, when you can buy it, and sometimes even charges you extra fees for using their shelves. If the store closes, you can't shop. Now, what does DeFi present differently? DeFi is like an open street market. Anyone can set up a stall and offer lending, borrowing, and exchanging services. You don't need permissions to join. You just need to bring your wallet. So if it's a token pocket, a MetaMask, or a Trust wallet you have, just bring it on board. And all deals are direct and automated using smart contracts, like vending machines that never close. You don't have to trust a middleman. The rules are coded directly in the blockchain and visible to everyone. So these are the opportunities that smart contracts and decentralized financial systems present. And it's a concept that is taking over traditional finance with huge transformative potential. The reason we need not lag behind, but seize the opportunity in the space to transform our finances. So I want to thank each and everyone for participating in today's session. In my next session, I'm going to walk us through a very exciting smart contract that goes by the name Bitnest. We'll look at it, look at the features of it, how it runs on the blockchain, and how we can tap into it by participating to make something out of the space for ourselves. So I want to thank you once again. It's Mauli. See you in my next session.